Okay, question number 1 says, the graph shows the total cost Y in dollars that Mary spends for her gym membership. Which of the following statements represents the relationship displayed in the graph? So we have our graph. We see on the y-axis is her membership cost, and on the x-axis is the number of months that she's been a member. Our answer choices are A, Mary pays a registration fee of $7 plus a monthly fee of $14. B, she pays a $14 registration fee plus a $7 monthly fee. C, the monthly charge is $21, or D, none of the above. So let's look at our hint problems. Number 1 says, what information displayed on the graph is important to start solving the problem? So just by looking at the graph, I can see, or I notice that my line starts right here at 0, 7. So if I think about what that means, then that tells me at 0 months, her membership cost $7. So that's something important that I see on the graph. So I'm going to put 0 months equals $7. So that tells me that she must have to pay some type of fee to start her membership. It must be a $7 fee. Okay? Then, what pieces of data from the representation can be used to help identify patterns and relationships? Well, I know I can use the coordinates to create a table. Okay, so it always helps to find a pattern if I can create a table. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to make my X and my Y table. And then I'm just going to start putting my points in there. So I notice that my first one is 0, 7. So 0. The next one I see is 1, 21. And then I see 2, 35. And then I'll do one more. We have 3 and 49. So now I want to identify some in my table. I want to look for a rate of change. So from 0 to 1 months, I'm adding a month. And I am also adding $14 cost. I see every time that I add a month, I'm adding $14. Okay, so I see right there my pattern is $14 every month, so that's my rate of change. So $14 per month, and then if we go back down here, it asks us how we can interpret where the graph crosses the y-axis. Well, we already talked about that right here. I notice it crosses the y-axis at this point, 0, 7. So that tells me that it costs a $7 registration fee. Because if it was 0 months, then she wasn't paying the monthly fee of $14. She just had to pay a $7 fee to get it started, and then after that she paid $14. Back up here, Mary paid $7. See that? Plus a monthly fee of $14. We see that over here with our rate of change. So A would be the correct answer.